Hey everyone, my name is Katherine and I am one of the medical providers in our Covington location. I started my journey into the medical field when I was trying to decide what my major was going to be in college, and my mom suggested that I go into nursing school, and I am forever grateful for that suggestion. So I really loved being a registered nurse, and I really wanted to be able to help my patients beyond the scope of my practice as a registered nurse. So I decided to go back and get my master's and become a nurse practitioner. The most rewarding part of my job here at Rejuvime is the relationships that I not only have built with my coworkers, but also my patients. One of my favorite success stories with a patient was a gentleman that had been doing both testosterone replacement with us and metabolic optimization, and he had lost 50 pounds at the time of this particular follow-up. I could just hear the joy and the happiness with how he was feeling overall, and that is really rewarding as a provider. You should consider a consultation at Rejuvime Medical because we will not treat you just like a number. We genuinely care about your health and want you to live your best life.